In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Charles Schwab app. Once you've installed the Schwab mobile app on your Android phone from the official Google Play Store, open the app to get started. On the sign-in screen, enter your login ID and your password, then tap Log In. If you've already created an account on the Schwab website, use the exact same credentials here, so everything syncs up right away. After your first login, take a moment to lock down your security. Head into the security settings and enable two-step verification, also known as 2FA. This adds a second check, like a code sent to you or a prompt, so even if someone gets your password, they still can't get in. Next, turn on biometric sign-in, such as fingerprint or face unlock, if your phone supports it. Biometrics make logging in fast while keeping your account protected whenever you approve access. Now that you're inside, customize the app to fit the way you invest. Start with your account summary to see balances, positions, and recent activity at a glance. Build one or more watch lists to track the stocks, ETFs, or other securities you care about. Then turn on notifications and alerts so you'll know when a stock hits a target price, an order fills, or important updates affect your holdings. You can also browse market news and updates to keep your finger on the pulse before making decisions. The app brings tracking, trading, and money management into one place. So set it up in a way that helps you act confidently. To add or move money, go to Transfers or Deposit. Link your bank account by following the on-screen prompts, then choose to deposit funds or transfer money. If you prefer mobile check deposit, select that option and use your phone's camera to take clear photos of the check. The app will guide you through each step and confirm when your deposit is submitted. With setup complete, you're ready to use the key features. You can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and more right from the trade ticket and review order details before you place a trade. Track your portfolio performance over time and dig into built-in research tools and charts to help you evaluate opportunities and refine your strategy. A few important reminders as you go. Always enable security features first, 2FA plus biometrics, so your account stays protected. Never log in on public or shared devices, and avoid downloading the app from APK sites. For financial apps, that's a high risk. With these basics in place, you'll have a secure, streamlined setup and be ready to manage your investments confidently from your phone.